Hi everyone, I'm pleased to say I accidentally removed the cloudy finish that was inside this vase, and now I have put 2 coats of looking glass spray on. So yeah, I accidentally removed it with some rubbing alcohol, so I was really pleased. And now I can try this again. This is my 3rd coat. And I put this on and just turn it so we can get that even finish I want. And it's really, really neat. I really like this. It's turning out great. Yeah, I decided not to add the vinegar water solution because it's such a modern style vase. A silver finish would look great. And then afterwards, I'm going to remove any of the little stray splashes of paint with some rubbing alcohol. And this dries pretty quick. Just wipes off. And then I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol to get the rest of that off the edge. That's going to look really neat. So it takes a little time to dry, but it's going to look great. And if I need to go back and fill in some blank spaces, I just use a little spray. So yeah, this looks great. And I don't know if I'm going to add any gems or jewels yet. We'll see. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.